Okay, so I thought that I would try to show you how to use this new GroupsIO. First thing when you log into the main or you go to the main page is you'll see a screen that looks like this. It tells you the number of members, the number of topics, the last time a post was made, and when this actual topic was started. On the right side here on the group settings, you can see what all the settings are for the group. You come down here and you can see the number of messages that have a hashtag of whatever. And hashtags are very useful for searching. Here you see a timeline. It says that we've got 14 messages or topics in March. So every month that goes by, you'll see a number, and you can just click on that, and it'll take you to those messages. There are subgroups, but there's only one subgroup that I've left, and that is the Reflector 69, and that's probably where we'll do announcements and discussions about Reflector 69 related things. You need to subscribe to this one separately from your main subscription. So, because each subgroup allows you to subscribe to them separately. But right now we're just going to have the two. If you click on directory, it should show you all the people that have that are using it. And there's a calendar which I've set up for the Newport County Radio Club net, and this will actually send out reminders if you're getting emails. Go back to home again. If I click on messages, it should bring up all the messages that are out here. And as you can see, some of them have hashtags and some of them don't. So you could actually search by the hashtag, or you can search by text as well, from what I can ascertain. At the top, you can click and see all the groups that you belong to in GroupsIO, if you belong to any, and you just select the one that you want to go look at, like here. Some of the messages are locked, and some of them are not. Actually, I think I've unlocked them all, because these are really topics. If I click on topics, then it kind of changes and it shows you these topics are pinned to the top. All the rest are not pinned; they're just as they were done. And I haven't locked any messages, and I don't know that I will. Anyways, that's kind of a basic thing. You can do chatting in here. There are files under the main. There are files. And what I've done is I put up programming files for the different radios that I had in the old form and brought them over to this new form. So, anyways, that is a rough how to use the product. Certainly, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And that will be that.